Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones and tapping on the search bar. Here you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app. Following that, tap on Open. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to choose Send on this Xiaomi device and tap on Receive on A2 Lite. Now click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only go with one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, select the scanning icon over here, then choose Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like that one. Click on, in my case, Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!